In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split and trim videos on CapCut PC in a really simple step-by-step way. If you're editing a long clip, removing mistakes, or just cutting your video down into cleaner sections, this is one of the most useful editing skills you can learn in CapCut. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to split a clip, trim the parts you do not want, and clean up your timeline fast. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut PC and load your project. If you already have a project started, just open it from your recent files, or create a new one if you're beginning from scratch. Once your project is open, add your video to the timeline. You can usually do this by importing your clip into the media area, then dragging it down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your editing happens, so make sure your video is placed correctly before you start cutting anything. Now that your video is on the timeline, find the exact point where you want to make your split. This is where the playhead comes in. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video. You can click and drag it along the timeline until it reaches the spot where you want the cut. If you need a more accurate split, zoom in on the timeline so you can see the frames more clearly and place the playhead exactly where you want it. Once the playhead is in the right position, click Split on the toolbar above the timeline. In CapCut PC, this is the main tool for cutting one clip into two separate parts. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+B on Windows to split the clip instantly. This is a really fast way to work if you're editing often, because it saves time and makes the process much smoother. After you split the clip, you'll now have two separate sections on the timeline. From here, select the section you want to trim. Trimming means removing extra footage from the beginning or end of a clip without cutting it into multiple pieces. To trim, hover over the left edge of the clip if you want to remove the beginning, or the right edge if you want to remove the ending. Then drag that edge inward until the unwanted part disappears. This is great for cutting out pauses, mistakes, dead space, or anything else you do not want in the final edit. If you want to remove something from the middle of a clip, you can split it first, then trim or delete the part you no longer need. That's why splitting and trimming work so well together. Split the video where the unwanted section begins, split it again where the unwanted section ends, and then delete that middle part. This gives you very precise control over your edit and helps keep your video looking clean and professional. You can repeat this split and trim process as many times as needed across the timeline. If your video has multiple mistakes, awkward pauses, or sections you want to tighten up, just keep moving the playhead, using split and dragging the edges of the clip inward to refine everything. For any section you do not want at all, simply click on it and press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. That will remove the unwanted piece from your timeline completely. After deleting a section, remember to close the gap if needed, so your video flows smoothly from one part to the next. This is an important part of keeping your final edit seamless and easy to watch. As you work, it's a good idea to preview your video often. Play it back after each trim or split to make sure the cuts happen exactly where you want them. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you want your video to feel polished and well edited. And that's basically it. You've now learned how to split and trim videos on CapCut PC using the timeline, the split button, the Ctrl+B shortcut, and simple edge trimming. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to clean up your footage and make your edits look much more professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut PC tips, and let me know in the comments what editing tutorial you want to see next.